Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable ChatGPT on your iPhone if you have it enabled. So let's get started. Now this is a feature that's available on the new iPhone 16 lineup and the iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max. If you don't have any of this compatible device, you're not going to see it. And the other thing is your phone has to be on iOS 18.2, which you can check by going to your settings, general, software update. So once you update to iOS 18.2 or newer version, you'll see if you go into your main settings under Apple Intelligence and Siri, if you go down, there is an extension for ChatGPT. If I tap on that, it shows me I have it turned on. In order to turn off or disable, simply click on that toggle and it will say setup instead of use. And that basically means we have turned off or disabled ChatGPT on our iPhone. So that's how you do it. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and turn off Apple Intelligence completely, you can come over to this toggle and tap on it to turn off Apple Intelligence completely from on your iPhone. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.